The La Fortuna waterfall is a natural monument of unsurpassable beauty located 5 kilometers from the center of La Fortuna. We invite you to an adventure where we combine natural beauty with an incredible horseback ride. Horses will be our transportation to the waterfall. We will travel on private trails riding through small rivers and beautiful scenery. Arriving to the ecological reserve, our first stop will be the lookout point. Here our guide will give us interesting facts about this fascinating place. After taking pictures at this lookout point, we begin our descent. It should take 15 minutes to get to the base of the waterfall. We will be impressed by this awesome mass of water that thunders because of its more than 60-meter drop. The more adventurous will like to swim in the fresh river water. Others will simply admire the astonishing waterfall. Arenal Adventures invites you to come to this destination. Be in contact with the nature that surrounds the La Fortuna waterfall. And in addition, enjoy a stupendous horseback ride. We are sure you will love this destination.